Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So if you're new to this channel, welcome. This is my second channel where I do everything other than treasure hunting. This is where I do a lot of woodworking, some hikes, other random things. So if you're interested in that, definitely subscribe so you don't miss anything. And in this video, I promised I would open this lock that I found here at the Short Circuit house in the yard, actually right down below me here where number 5 fell. And actually no, I found this over there by that staircase. That's where I found this. But anyway, we're gonna open this, and it sounds like there's something in there. I don't know if it's a key, I don't know if it's coins. It can't be too old because, I mean, well, it might be old, but it's like a master lock from like the 90s, I think. But we'll try to get this open even if I have to take it home. I'm gonna see if the owner of the Airbnb has any tools, because I don't know how to open this thing, to be honest. A sledgehammer might work, I don't know. But before we do that, we'll go ahead and do a tour of the house, and I hope you guys enjoy the video. Of course, we gotta start from here. This is Stephanie's house from the 1986 movie Short Circuit. It is an Airbnb, which I am staying out for a couple nights here. And a lot of the movie took place right here. You can see Stephanie's snack shack, I think it's called. It's her truck right there. If we walk down this steep hill just a little bit, you can see this bunch of shrubs right here. This is where number 5, actually over there by that little structure there, that's where number 5 had the Trans Am disassembled. And that deer is not in the movie, but it sure is a little doe right there. Over here, there's a shot taken of Stephanie's boyfriend, like this, when he's holding the gun, and he ends up running down the street after number 5 shoots the buckle off his pants. All right, we'll head back up to the house. Right here's where Stephanie's food truck was, where number 5 was inside of it. Stephanie was right here, looking up at number 5. She thought it was an alien. Right here we had a ramp that came down. That window was different. The house obviously has been renovated, and the color was repainted to match the movie. Even the little details here were replaced to match the movie. This fence was replaced. The original fence was wood, and it had more like chicken wire that went all the way around. Stephanie's yard had a bunch of animals in it. The exterior of the house is what was used in the movie. The interior was not, but the interior of the house is like a Short Circuit museum almost, and I'll show you guys a walkthrough of that. This is in the movie. If you look closely, the owner told me that this wood right here was the original parts that are being replaced. So these things were actually in the movie. Right here is the famous scene where number 5 gets chased by Beasley the dog, crashes through the balcony, and lands in a small structure right about there. This staircase, spiral staircase, was in the movie, but after the movie was filmed, they ripped it down, and the new owner rebuilt it to keep it as the movie was. And the view from here is really awesome. You can see that roof in the movie. There's a lot of the first movie, like the first half of the movie is filmed right in this area. Beasley the dog was right here. And jumps down to Stephanie standing pretty much where I am right now. Maybe about here. These were the metal detecting finds from my other channel. If you guys haven't seen it, I'll link that video right here. Yes, I found some awesome silver coins and really old coins over here. That's all explained in the other video. And now we get to go inside the house. So in the Short Circuit movie, Stephanie answers the door, and the only thing you can really see on the interior of this house in the movie is that stairs right there. But if you open the door all the way, if you look around, you'll notice some things from the movie that the owner put in here to make it the world's most awesome 1980s Airbnb ever. I'm not going to give everything away in case you want to come here and be surprised. But I'm telling you right now, this place is, I mean, so awesome waking up and looking out the window and seeing that. That's pretty awesome. He has a display rack with all sorts of movie items. There's even a Johnny 5 is Alive coffee cup. Sorry for the glare, but here is a picture taken from out here on the balcony. There's a great little place here to have your coffee with some reading material. The owner is a collector and has pretty much every Star Wars guy from 1977 to 1985. Many other 80s toys in here to nerd out on. These were all G.I. Joe. There's a bedroom right here. Here's a bathroom. Even a laundry room, and my bed that I did not make. So that's pretty much the house tour of the Short Circuit house. When I walked into this place yesterday, it's like being in a movie, because I mean, I grew up, I'm an 80s kid, and I grew up, you know, repeating lines from this movie when I was a kid, and I'm like standing here right now. So I don't know, I'm just like totally nerding out. It's so awesome just being here. I'm sure some other people can relate to what I'm feeling right now. But if you're ever in Astoria, Oregon, Definitely see if this place is available for Airbnb. You can stay here. There's a cruise ship right there. So anyway, hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you on the next one. Thanks for watching. All right, so I don't have many options here. So I'm just gonna use this rock to kind of try to smash this open. So we'll see where that goes. All right, I actually was able to crack it open. And can I pry it open though? I might need another, but I think I need to keep going. It's still not open. I can see something in there. I can definitely see something in there. I don't know if it's a key or not. Try again. Got her open. There's 2 keys. Not very old. Not very old. I didn't think so. That looks like a house key. And maybe just a smaller, like, I don't know, like another key to another lock maybe. All right, well, that mystery is solved.